Hey, my name is Vic Strazius. I'm the founder and creator of the 4% Group, where we teach people just like you how to become great at marketing and create solid income online. Look, if you have tried to build an online business for any period of time, you'll probably realize there seems to be two things happening a lot, right? There is theory and complexity. And frankly, that's why so many people fail to achieve any measurable results. So to help our 4% Group members get results fast, I have created industry's first 7 steps to results. It's the world's simplest step-by-step guide for making money online and creating lasting success. It's a $997 program, but today you don't have to pay $997. In fact, you don't have to pay a dime, because right now, today, you can get your hands on 7 steps to results 100% free, no strings attached. I'll even give you a free account to the 4% Group, and as soon as you log in, you will be taken straight to the 7 steps to results program, so you can start implementing it immediately right now. Look, if you're sick and tired of information overload, where you don't know where to start or what to do, if you're sick and tired of theory and complexity, where everything seems to be complicated, right? If you're sick and tired of not getting the results you want, I'm talking no sales, no money. If you're sick and tired of traffic generation challenges, where you don't know where and how to get hungry visitors, aka traffic, to your website that are ready to buy what you're selling, if you're sick and tired of fluff where gurus just talking and no real 1, 2, 3 type action plan for you to follow, and you really would like to have a simple 1, 2, 3 type guide that shows you exactly what to do to get results fast, if you would like to have your hands on a selling machine proven to generate massive sales and make you money even if you don't have a product or a website, if you want multiple streams of income that get you paid from many different sources, okay? If you want to be a part of an active $100,000 campaign where you can literally get to watch over my shoulder step by step how we take a brand new campaign from scratch and build it out to where it generates $100,000 in commissions, and you get to see everything, the good, the bad, the ugly, and everything in between. Every click, every mouse move is recorded and documented, and you can literally model it and you can follow along with me, okay? If you want to virtually be able to command sales on demand and never have to rely on anybody or anything, this can really help you, okay? This is the same system our members use and follow right now to create massive results online. Look, the other day while doing a live webinar, I asked our members if they were making money as a result of using this system. Hey everybody, Vic Strazius here. I'm gonna do something that's a little bit unexpected in this particular video. Look, I stepped into a studio to do a team webinar, and here we are. There's me. This is live stream. This is inside of the 4% Group members area, as you can see there, right? And here we have let's see, we got 800 people in the room. Okay, let me go ahead and expand this screen for you. I'm gonna do something that is like unexpected and normally you wouldn't see a lot of people doing live, but I want to be totally transparent, totally authentic with you. I'm gonna ask our people in the room. Okay, we got 799 people in the room right now at the moment. Here they are chatting, right? Okay, here are the people watching me. How many of you guys, I'm gonna ask you guys live right there, okay? I'm gonna ask you guys live in the room. How many of you guys have made money, have made commissions, have made sales here within the 4% Group? Okay, let's take a look at the comments. There's like a 20-30 second delay over here. Okay, take a look. How many of you guys have made sales, have made money here in the 4% Group as a result by following our system? Let me know. Let me know in the comments. Okay, let me know in the comments. There was like a 20-second delay. Now look, you can fake it. Look how crazy this thing is going, right? Look, yes, made, me. Look at this. Look at it. Look, just look for yourself, okay? So what you're looking at right now, my friend, is we've got 798 people. Okay, look how crazy this chat is going. Okay, look at this. Look at this. Okay, look at this. You guys are awesome. I appreciate your feedback. Now, what do you guys think? Okay, what do you guys think? So this is how much you guys have made money. Now, I want to ask you guys another question here. I'm going to flip the camera over to myself. I'm not even going to edit this because, you know, there's a lot of fakeness going on in the industry. You know, there's a lot of pretenders. There's a lot of things that people just like hype up, you know. We want to be totally authentic. Everything we do here in the 4% it's totally authentic. It's from the heart. Okay, I want to ask you guys here in the room watching me. on the webinar, might as well, right? We got you guys in the room here. What do you guys think of the 4% group in general? Okay, from somebody who might be on the fence, just kind of checking it out. It's a free, if they can create themselves an account for free, get plugged into the 7 Steps to Results program, they can get plugged into the Operation 100K. What do you guys think? What are your thoughts from a member's perspective here for the 4%? Okay, from the 4%, what's your thoughts on the 4% group? Okay, cash in the bank, yes, still make money. Now there's about a 20 to 30 second delay. Now check it out. Okay, so right here, people are just now seeing the my message there in the group. Okay, so check that out. Okay, you guys are unbelievable. Look at this. Okay, now look, my friend, if you are looking for something that's real, something that's solid, something that's look, we got how many? We got 804 people in the room right now. Okay, at the moment. Okay, look at this. Just look for yourself, right? I'm just gonna leave the camera. Okay, on this. You guys are absolutely out of this world, man. You guys are awesome. Congratulations. Okay, so there you go. I can keep the camera, but I'm gonna flip it on myself, and there you have it. Okay, what do everybody else think about the 4% group? About the same opportunity that you have right in front of you right now? You just saw, my friend. Go make a decision. I'll see you inside. Pretty cool, huh? So naturally, look, if I were you, I would probably be wondering, why in the world are you giving this away for free? That's a great question. You see, it has to do a lot with our vision. Our vision is to help 1 million members create solid income online, okay? And it's a worthy goal. We're actually on track to making this a reality within the next 6 to 12 months. It's really, really exciting. Look, I realize there is a lot of garbage out there online. And naturally, a lot of people are skeptical. Perhaps they got burned before, okay? I get it. So by allowing you to get into the 4% group for free and showing you that I can help you by actually helping you get results, okay? Letting you see the entire system, in fact, actually letting you use our system, see our amazing 4% community, which by the way is unbelievable. My hope is that you will immediately realize that this is unlike anything else in existence. And you might want to lock arms with us and help us expand this vision even further, reaching and helping millions of people together. Okay, and perhaps you will want to ascend and go further with us, so it's a win-win. Look, at the end of the day, what really matters here is you getting results. Agreed? You don't necessarily need more theory, you don't need more courses to buy or more videos to watch that just give you, well, again, more theory and fluff that you can't implement. What you really need is results, fast. Yes? I'm talking getting sales, earning commissions, putting money in your bank account. I get it. And it's exactly and precisely what we're focusing on here. I believe that if I can help you get results, there is a good chance that you will become a raving fan and a loyal member of our community for life, helping us expand this vision and positively impact millions of people's lives. But we start by first helping you. Okay? Look, I don't really need to sell you on this because you can get started right now 100% free. Thousands are joining daily, literally every single day. My question to you is, are you ready for your breakthrough and your results? Here's your next step. Simply go ahead and create your free account to the 4% group. This might be the best thing that has ever happened to you. Thanks for watching. I'll see you inside the 4% group's 7 Steps to Results. Let's get started.